If you're a furniture business owner running meta ads right now and you feel like they're just not working, this video is for you. Whether you've successfully run ads in the past and they've stopped working, or you're brand new, this video will walk you through how to approach meta ads in 2026 to win. So I hear this constantly, meta ads are dead, or I've tried everything, new audience targeting, higher budgets, new campaigns, etc. And here's the truth. Meta ads are not failing. Your creative strategy is. After the new meta ad Andromeda updates, the game has changed. Interest-based targeting is completely dead, and creative diversity matters more than ever. Today, I'm going to break down why most furniture ads fail, what Meta actually wants from you now, how to identify your real competitive advantages, how to turn those into ads that convert, and how to structure campaigns to test and scale what works. If you sell furniture, whether it be in-store or online, this video can completely change how you approach ads. So here's the big shift and what changed with Meta in late 2025 going into 2026. For years, furniture businesses relied on narrow interests, stack targeting, lookalikes built on tiny data sets, one or two ads that worked for months, but unfortunately, that world is now gone. With Meta's newer updates, especially Andromeda, the algorithm is doing way more decision-making for you, but it relies on better input from you and your end as the advertiser. Meta now decides who sees your ads, when they see them, which creative gets shown, and what angle performs the best. Your job is no longer to outsmart the algorithm, your job is to feed it better inputs. Meta can't magically invent great ads for you. It can only choose between what you give it. And this is where most furniture businesses completely fail. See, with the implementation of AI, Meta can now segment your buyers into even more buying groups. Instead of it being binary, someone who either is a buyer or not, Meta can now break that into even more detail and figure out what makes each individual buyer tick. That's where we come in. Even though Meta can make these decisions for us now, they're still depending on us to input the correct data, manage and monitor the ads for winners and losers, and add in new creatives and audience data on a weekly basis. Most furniture businesses I see run ads like this. One lifestyle image, one product image, one video, all saying basically the same thing. High quality furniture at a great price. That is not a competitive advantage. That's what everyone says, and the algorithm doesn't know what to optimize toward because every creative looks the same, every message sounds the same, there's no signal differentiation, so Meta tests basically nothing. Then people say, Meta ads don't work. No, your ads gave Meta nothing to work with. You must understand your competitive advantages. Before you ever open up Ads Manager, you need to answer one question. Why does someone buy from you instead of the other 10 furniture stores near them? What is your offer and your competitive edge? And price is not always a good answer. Real competitive advantages might be free delivery, white glove delivery and setup, faster delivery times, better quality, in-stock inventory, solid wood versus MDF, custom sizing or finishing, local showroom, better warranty, better reviews, unique products not found elsewhere, etc. And most owners have these advantages, they just never advertise them. They assume customers will figure it out. Well, they won't. Your ads must clearly communicate these advantages. You need to communicate your offer effectively in order for your ads to work. Now, how do we turn competitive advantages into creatives? This is where the creative diversity comes in. Each competitive advantage deserves its own set of creatives. For example, for free delivery, you would have a video explaining how delivery works, before and after delivery setup, comparison versus stores that charge $300. For product quality, you could have close-ups of joinery, the solid wood versus particle board comparison. For speed, you could have ordered today, delivered this week. You could have an ad time-lapse of delivery. For social proof, customer testimonials, review screenshots, in-home photos from customers. Each of these is a different message. And Meta needs to test all of them and find the unique buyers for each. You're not guessing which one works, the algorithm tells you. People don't necessarily buy a couch the first time they see it. They need repetition, reassurance, different angles. If all your ads say the same thing, you burn out fast. Creative diversity lowers fatigue, increases relevance, improves the nurturing process, and improves scaling. More quality creatives equals more data equals more optimization. Offers matter, but they should support, not replace your message. The mistake is running ads that are only offers $100 off today only. That attracts price shoppers with no loyalty. Instead, lead with your advantage and then reinforce with an incentive. So an example of this would be solid wood dining tables built to last, plus free delivery this month. Now you're selling value, not discounts. So if Meta is so good at finding buyers, what does it need us to advertise for? That's a great question. Meta has improved on the overall targeting with the implementation of AI, but it still relies on human input and feedback on at least a weekly basis. When you give Meta creative diversity, it will push budget towards what it believes will provide the best results. Sometimes it's correct and sometimes it's not. This is where we have to analyze the results and cut losers and scale the winners. This will allow us to create winning ad campaigns in the future and build more creatives based on what your audience is responding best to. So to wrap this up, Meta ads aren't dead. Businesses just haven't adapted. The winners understand their competitive advantages, turn them into clear, focused creatives, embrace creative diversity, let the algorithm do its job, understand how to monitor the algorithm, and make changes as needed based on the data. If you're struggling with ads, don't touch targeting yet. Fix your creative strategy first. And hey, listen, if you're a furniture business with proven sales and want myself and my team to take over your ads and do all of this for you, check out our website at sevenfigurefurniture.com. It'll be in the description below. On there, you can book a call with us to see if it would be a good fit. Our pricing is very competitive, but the only catch is that we only want to work with furniture businesses that have proven sales already. So that means a proven offer that's already selling. And if this helped you out, I'd really appreciate if you would subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and I'll personally respond. And one other thing I have to mention that you're gonna love is we just launched a free Discord for our community, which means anyone with a furniture business can join. It's completely free. We are building the biggest community of furniture business owners around the world. This is going to give free knowledge on how to scale your business, how to market, and it's also just going to be a general community of like-minded business owners for everyone to learn from. So I will be in there as an admin, obviously, answering questions, going over popular topics, and more. So I'll put the link to that below. Definitely sign up. It's completely free. I look forward to seeing you in there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.